hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Alright, here we go again. Fucking Giovanni.
Oh yeah, man. Happy Canada Day, motherfuckers.
Yes, yeah, it's Canada Day. So all you Canadian boys out there, happy Canada Day.
Hell yeah. And if this is posted after July 4th, happy Independence Day, motherfuckers.
That's it, you know, we gotta show love to them American boys too, right? Alright, well, we're gonna get back there today. Go swimming again, possibly.
Hell yeah, we're gonna go swimming. It's way too hot in this bitch.
Holy fuck, is it ever today.
Look, I'm not fucking having too much fun. I'd drive the goddamn bike in the water.
So yeah, let's go for a rip. Get on these bikes and start the day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the battery.
I could try and charge the battery. I gotta charge that first.
Yeah, give her gas.
Buddy, not even left the fucking house.
Guess you get to jump in the water with those on.
I got the house wrong.
Oh, she's a nice mud hole right there, isn't she?
Oh, buddy, you're going. It's nice, bump.
You need better tires, that's all.
Yeah, better tires and a better driver.
Yeah, that may be it too.
Might be it.
Yo, you okay, man? Holy fuck, are you alright?
We are good, buddy.
Bro, man!
I saw it. I took the turn. I'm like, fuck, I'm not turning, bro. I'm like, there's a ditch here, there's water. We're good. We're good. I hope you got that on camera.
Oh, man, I like looked away. I saw you going, but I got it on camera. I'm pretty sure I got that.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo, you okay, man?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, I'm just happy you're okay, man.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
That was sick, but let's figure out how we're getting the bike out.
Yo, it's because you're all the way in fucking, like, who knows what gear.
Oh, yeah, I was pinning it, bud.
I saw. I was wondering if you were going to slow down or not when we got to that corner, and I saw you keep going.
I forgot how curved it is. I'm like, all right, I'm going again.
Oh, shit. Let's see if I can get this out for you. I don't think it gets easier.
Let's get in here.
Yeah,
Fuck it.
let's back it up, pull it back. All right, now let's go forward.
I just created one. Flip into it, but
honestly, man, I'm just happy that you're not fucking hurt. Like
that was got shitty, eh?
That was crazy. Yeah.
Well, I'm muddy. That's fine. Douche flute still works, assholes.
All right, let's go see him now. My tire's so flat on this side.
Oh, good. Did you even fill it last time we rode?
I need to go put air in it, I think, but...
OEM, brand new, never used, bud.
This guy and his overturns. if I can make it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Got my feet all wet during that one.
can tell. Oh shit! Oh, look at my feet now too, bro.
Yeah, man, he's sinking right quick.
Literally, it just fucking fell.
Oh, that looks sick right there.
All right, I gotta reverse mine out of here.
Yeah, let's get yours out here first. Oh, you're caught. You're caught on mine. That's why. Look at my boot. My shoe.
All right, lift up the front end so I can pull back then. Give it gas too. All right, never mind. Fuck.
Oh, you're off.
Okay, let's try and go forward. Give it gas.
3, 2, 1.
Fuck sakes, bro.
Let me do the pushing and. Woo! Dude, look at this shit. I'm fucking.
I'm taking my shoes off. Holy shit, bro.
Yeah, I was having fun over there until I got here.
Oh, shit, guys. That's some intense shit.
Let's take a break.
Yeah, I'm out of breath.
Yeah, man.
Don't turn yours off,
Look.
though. I know, look at you, man.
It's from your bike just kicking it up at me, yeah. Whatever. It's out, though. That's all that matters, right?
Yeah, at least we had some fun, right? But yeah, this is definitely some quicksand bullshit. It looks fun. It looks easy to hit until you fucking get in it.
Yeah. And let me tell you, I'm fucking in it.
Oh, yeah.
No reverse either. That's the fun part.
That's the worst part. Oh, yeah. This is deep, bro.
I told you, yeah, man. And you get sucked in.
Yeah, you gotta lift the tires out first. Cleaned off. I'm a little bit muddy now. I don't care about any of these clothes. All right,
Off to the top.
time to jump in.
Buddy, I can't even touch the bottom from here. Feels good though.
This is real nice.
Too bad my vape's fucked again.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!
Yeah, we're lucky we live in Canada and there's no alligators or anything.
Buddy, that fall, I really hope we got that. But I took the turn and I'm like, oh fuck. Like my first thought was like, this is where the dock is. And I'm like, I'm not hitting that.